Prem Kishan Khanna. Prem Kishan Khanna was an active member of the Hindustan Republican Association HRA from Shahjahanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Khanna was a contractor for Indian Railways. His father was a chief divisional engineer for British Indian Railways. His father was honored with the crown of Rai Bahadur by the British government for his honesty in his work and diligent discharge of his duty. He started reading books pertaining to the history of different revolutions. As his father, Rai Bahadur Khanna, had good relations with the British authorities, Khanna was able to obtain a contractorship for Indian Railways construction. His father built a grand koti or palace in Shahjahanpur, and Khanna took up residence there and began looking after the contracting work of the railways. Since Khanna's line of work came up with considerable risk from thieves and bandits, he obtained an arms license for his personal safety. Prem Kishan purchased a Mauser pistol and kept it for his self-protection. Prem Kishan Khanna went against Gandhiji. When Gandhiji withdrew from the non-cooperation movement after Chauri Chaura incident, Khanna started agitation against him along with Ram Prasad Bismil. He was a close associate of noted revolutionary Ram Prasad Bismil. He also went to Gaya with his team of young volunteers and condemned the decisions of Gandhiji in the Congress. Kakori train robbery. After the Kakori train robbery, Bananas Lal became approver to British. As per his clue, a licensed Mauser pistol and a few cartridges on Khanna's license were found in his search, and they were seized by the police along with Khanna's arms license. In order to save Khanna from a more severe punishment, Bismil affirmed under oath during his trial that the weapon and license were both obtained by theft from one of Khanna's servants. Khanna was prosecuted and sentenced to 5 years rigorous imprisonment in the Kakori conspiracy case. After release from jail, later in life, Khanna remained a bachelor and worked for Indian independence. Under the inspiration and advice of his close associate Ram Prasad Bismil, Khanna established half a dozen, that is 6 institutions in the rural sector of his hometown Shahjahanpur.